Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Vision with Vidya Sangari. Today we are going to study the activity number 6 from our 12th standard practicals. And our activity is to prepare 100 ml 0.1 molar standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate. This ferrous ammonium sulfate is also called as Mohs salt. It is a double salt because it is made up of two salts together, ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate. That's why it is called as double salt. So the molar mass of ferrous ammonium sulfate is 392 gram per mole. When I want to prepare 1000 ml of 1 molar ferrous ammonium sulfate solution, I need 392 gram of FAS. But here we want to prepare 100 ml 0.1 molar ferrous ammonium sulfate solution. So how much we need? Take cross multiplication of these. 100 multiplied by 0.1 multiplied by 392 upon 1000 multiplied by 1. When you solve it, you will get 3.92 gram. Means I need 3.92 gram of FAS crystals to prepare the standard solution of FAS. So to prepare 100 ml of 0.1 molar ferrous ammonium sulfate solution, we need 3.92 gram of FAS crystals, spatula, glass rod, test tubes, distilled water, sulfuric acid, funnel, beaker and volumetric flask. First of all, I will transfer crystals of FAS to small beaker with the help of spatula. Add little amount of distilled water and transfer the washing to beaker so that each and every crystal get dissolved. Add little amount of distilled water again and stir the solution till your FAS crystals get dissolved completely. If needed, add more quantity of distilled water and again stir it. Now we want to make 100 ml solution. So this is your volumetric flask and this volumetric flask is having this marking towards my thumb. This is of 100 ml mark. Transfer the content from beaker to the volumetric flask with the help of funnel. Again wash your beaker and transfer the washing to volumetric flask. Add distilled water to volumetric flask slowly so that you can adjust level up to this, means 100 ml mark. Last few drops add very carefully so that level get adjusted accurate up to 100 ml. Then add few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to obtain clear solution. And shake it well. So this is your 100 ml 0.1 molar ferrous ammonium sulfate solution.
Ma'am, how to calculate amount of FAS required to prepare 1000 ml of 0.1 molar standard solution of FAS?
See, to prepare 1000 ml 1 molar solution, I need 392 gram FAS. So if I want to prepare 1000 ml 0.1 molar, then I need 392 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 0.1 upon 1000 multiplied by 1, means I need 39.2 gram FAS crystals.
Ma'am, how to calculate the molar mass of FAS?
To calculate molar mass of ferrous ammonium sulfate, the molecular formula is FeH8N2O8S2 with 6 molecules of water of crystallization. So atomic mass of Fe multiplied by 1. In same way, atomic mass of hydrogen 8 are there. Atomic mass of nitrogen, 2 nitrogen we have taken. Atomic mass of oxygen multiplied by 8 because 8 oxygen we have taken, and 2 sulfur atoms are there. Put their atomic masses, you will find it is 284 gram. But when we consider 6 molecules of water of crystallization, we get 6 multiplied by water molecules, that is 6 multiplied by 18, 108. Add 284 and 108, you get 392 gram per mole, and this is the molar mass of FAS.
Ma'am, why FAS solution turn yellowish brown?
When we keep FAS solution open for long time, the Fe dye-positive ions from solution, which are greenish in color, oxidizes to Fe tri-positive ions, which are yellowish in color, and that's why solution turns yellowish brown in color.
Why it is necessary to add few drops of concentrated H2SO4 in the preparation of FAS solution?
See students, it is very essential to add few drops of H2SO4 during preparation of FAS solution because it prevents the hydrolysis and oxidation of Fe dye-positive ions to Fe tri-positive ions.
Ma'am, how many water of crystallization are present in Mohr salt?
There are 6 molecules of water of crystallization in Mohr salt.